everything that's in the way. That'll be a problem, this wire.
Take it apart once more. I think we should just leave it apart until we're done.
Yeah, push it on yourself.
Yeah. Jeez.
I can't see over there.
You got really close to slapping me in the face with that thing.
It's okay, I'm doing it on purpose.
Yep.
So that bend is not going to let us.
Yeah, we just need to bend it right here where my finger is.
It's not going to let us do what we need to do.
And you want me to mark it?
No, I just got to get it to where bend to run. We're on top of this wire here too, which I don't want to be bending on also. Alright, get out of the way, don't get hit. See, I can't see the other house sticking out whacking them in the head. I can only see about to here. This is just flaying all over the place on the other side. Alright, so. See, just because I bend this doesn't mean I can put it back in this spot, see, because this is a lot thinner than what the actual tube is, and this flexes. So I can shove it through here and it'll bend through, whereas I can't do that with a real tube. See, I can't flex it like I just did. So
This actually just needs to...
that brake switch, see, is going to be a problem. Brake switch wire.
If, yeah, no, we can move that forward.
I need to come in behind that.
Yeah, we can move the brake wires forward. No problem.
Okay. Alright, so I know kind of where we're at. Can you pull that out your side?
Yep.
So we're going to come through here like this. If the motor wasn't here, it'd be a lot easier. We're going to have to do something to make it come through here, so we're going to have to bend it a little bit.
You want some help? I can do it with a lot more power.
Nope, I'm just going a little at a time because I got to bend it until it goes through.
Want some help?
No, I just got to figure out where it's hitting. What's it hitting on? You can't have that radius into that north. This radius has to come out over here, it looks like. So we need this to be a longer radius through here. It can't be a straight section. If it was. Here, your camera's in my way. You got to work this camera, I can't. When I move the camera, I can't remember what I just had to do. So you're going to have to work that camera.
Alright, sorry.
Can't do both. Too confusing as it is trying to figure out what to do around here or not. Work everything. Okay, so this has to be straightened out through here. Or not straightened, but made a radius. So we're just going to go like that. We make it one big ass curve instead of one of the short ones.
It looks nicer too.
We could probably make things fit, maybe.
Hopefully.
Yeah, none of that you can tell with that because it won't work. So after I bend this, it might not ever be able to put back in. Okay, so now we're stuck at this point. I think if we had this off, we'd have more room. That's going to be a hurting thing there. Big screwdriver, and only 9/16 socket.
One 16 socket and big screwdriver?
Yep.
Gotcha.
An extension.
Oh, okay. Long or short?
I don't care. Any oil under there yet?
Under here?
A leak.
No, doesn't look like it.
Good. Usually might be able to put some goop on there and make it work. Okay, see, that lets me come through a little bit further now.
Ooh, just that proper clearance.
The problem is, see, the curve is completely wrong for what we need to make it actually go in here.
How do we have to do like a tighter curve or?
I think once we bend it, we won't be able to take this line in and out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I think that's going to be that's going to be the end of that going in and out thing. Except I have to bend this in more here to get back over to here. Everything I took to get in here makes it so I can't take it back out. Right in here, I might be able to bend a bit more and make it work, maybe. Okay, well, right off the bat, we need a little bit of an offset. There's an offset. That helped a lot. See? We need one of those. See, I freed it up a little bit.
Yeah, you did.
Just have to screw that all up. Also put a flat spot in there, but, well,
You know who's gonna notice that? No one.
me. Okay, so this needs to go over this area here. Ah, it hurts. This is hard to do with stainless. Okay, I need something right here. Need something bigger than this.
One of these?
Yeah. My plastic hammer.
Plastic hammer? Look at that.
Form fitted. That's too good to go. Here's what you got. Whoop, that crimped up. I didn't like that. Nope, that was bad. That was too much. I put a big crimp right there.
Oh well.
That's going to affect the flow a little bit. A lot, actually.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, I did a number to that thing. I didn't like that. Yeah, we get it out though. Yeah, see?
Alright, so
That was bad.
can we fix that?
How?
I don't know, that's why I was asking. Like, that's something that can be fixed. Yeah.
A little bit. Probably put a dimple in it.
We all know how you love your dimples.
Not in my oil lines though. Could remake the line now.
Nope, we're good. Push on.
I've been pushing it.
I have about an hour and a half before I have to go pick up my friend from the
So
airport.
now that we, now that I re-adjusted it, see now it doesn't fit. There, found it.
Found a sweet spot?
Found a sweet spot. So right in here is where we need to be. Bend right through here. Okay, we can make that happen. Problem is that's going to make it not
So easy.
It's going to make it hard to get back in there a bit. Where's that bend up?
Right there.
It was through here, I think.
Yep, that's exactly where I pointed.
That's the problem when you make these lines. They don't fit back with them. You can't make them get in and out again.
Permanent.
Crap in the way on the other side.
You want me to move something?
Well, that's the battery box in the way now. Okay, let's see here. Alright. So we got to take some of that curve out, but I'm not sure exactly.
Which way do you want to go?
I don't know yet. I got to figure out.
Because I can bend it from here.
Yeah, I can bend it too, but that's not going to help me on. See, I know what I did to make it not fit. So I just have to reverse it a little bit. Not all of it though, but some of it. Theoretically, that should let it go in now. See? Shift shaft's in the way up over here. See how you're filming over there anyway?
What?
What are you filming?
I'm filming you?
You don't film what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay, see now the shifter's in the way. We're almost in now. Can't go down. Nope, that ain't gonna happen. Yeah, change it slightly. See, it's just not quite where I need it. Almost got it right going there. Alright, so we need a little bit more. Quarter inch. Too long. There you go.
Nice.
We're pretty long too. I don't think this fitting goes in there that far. So let's get this fitting out of here. The rubber went down there somewhere.
It's right by your right foot.
Okay, here, see, that goes right there. So this needs to be shortened up a little bit, and that would make things a little better. Fitting there, but it's not going to help us here. Because we're a little bit off right there. That didn't help.
The hammer didn't solve it? Be gentle with the screwdriver.
Trying to. The action's in there pretty good right there. See a little bit of clearance and everything. And once it's in, it's in, see. Well, the angle's fairly good. It's in. It's going to rub back here, which is not the best. Okay. It's in a spot we can kind of manipulate a little bit. Let's see. See, if I bent this up right here, it would make it not come out. Can see how tight it is right here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Well, I'll be right back.
Okay, so there, I got it to come out. Alright, so we can get it in and out of there now, barely. Okay, now we go on the other side of the bike over there and see if we're going to bend it on the other side. Take our fill tip. Alright, so now, look as good as thing over here. Alright, so we need to put a little bit of a curve all through there. This is where our hard line's at. Just a good pin or the crappy pin?
You got the crappy one.
I have a crappy one over here where I can use it. There, that can leave the mark. Okay, so this is our frame right here. And this is the top. Okay, that's our frame rail. So what we need to do is we need to make a little bit of a curve. We need to bend it up a little bit starting right there to clear this. A little bit behind that actually. Probably all the way back to about here. We need to start bending it. Just barely kick it up a little bit. Gotta get off the frame here.
Yeah.
Get us some coming. And then at some point we're going to have to, this can be a nice long radius curve, like about a 3-inch bend around there.
Mm-hmm.
And bring it right on up to here. And then we have to do a little, with the little back sweep and an S-curve kind of deal. And wrap it around the case a little bit. But in the middle of a curve coming this way, so it's a double compound deal, which is always fun to do. Okay, so we gotta remember how to do all this now. You got that all in your head?
You can play back the video.
Yeah, that doesn't help.
So we're gonna go up, kind of go along the thingy booth, and then we're gonna backtrack a little bit.
Right. And still be able to put it in and out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's the plan. How's it working so far? Okay. Tight squeeze. Now, hopefully none of that's going to make it not come out. Make it not come out there? I think it's going to make it where it's not going to come out. Okay, so we need to start bending about in this area. You need to be straight up and down about here, right?
Yep.
That needs to drop down, so I need to put my arm, wrap it around my arm. See, now I get some leverage, see?
Yeah.
Where's our curve at? Is that what the top of it is? Here, give me my felt tip again. Marking it right straight with you.
Wait, what?
Line straight on the side, right where you're at. Okay.
It's not very straight, but
I don't care. It tells me the top is at. See, I gotta kind of leverage it. Where's the bend gonna be? Starting about there. So I'm controlling my arm right here.
yeah.
As I start pushing on it, it's going to get really hard on my wrist, so because this stuff is stiff.
Nice radius.
Yeah, you like that? My wrist doesn't, but okay, let's see if we got the right angle. I watch you not be able to go in and out.
Almost. It's kind of kicking back towards the back of the bike.
Yeah, which means I can't put it in here. Told you it's going to make it where I can't put it in the bike.
We're almost done. We could just do a straight one. I don't care.
See, that keeps me from throwing the bike back in the bike, and we got to bend it a lot more than that to be final.
It needs to. Almost there.
Man, I can't.
You want to see where it's coming from on this side? I'll hold it over there.
Doesn't matter where it's going up there. I just can't get it to go in the bike anymore. So whatever I did over there, I can't assemble the bike no more. Okay, so which way are we heading? Having a line you can never take out of a bike is not very good.
Yeah.
So we're hitting hard against the wiring. So. And that's going to have to bend a lot more my way.
Yeah.
See, it's going to come right to the box here. There's no way I can bend the line up without hitting the box. So the box has to go out in order to put the line in. There's no way getting around it. Because I barely bent it and I'm hard into it. The curve would have to go forward.
Yeah, I can bend it from here.
Yeah, but that's going to affect my bend on the other side over here. This is already all pre-bent, remember? You can't change that anymore on this side. If you change anything over here, it won't fit on this side. So, all I can do is change this here.
Yeah.
Try to bend it forward a little bit.
Shit, that would probably give you a bunch more clearance.
Help it or make it worse. I think it helped it.
Do you want to hold it right there and I can bend it this way?
No, because that's going to bend it where I don't want to bend it. You're going to bend it down here, which is already done. The part that's new is over here. This
Okay.
is the problem. You don't want to change anything else on this other side because then nothing fits on this side. There's no room for movement on this other side. I have to be where I'm at. I'm wedging it in and out of the frame as it is to make it work. So this just has to come out of here. The toolbox cannot be in there. Or one side, whatever the hell I do.
All right.
That looks like a 7/16 wrench. See, that's why you make stuff out of rubber lines. They're flexible. Got something there. See, I'm almost in. I'm a little bit long, but I'm in. There we go. Got it. Boom, I'm in.
Okay.
So now we got to go in the other direction now, see?
So yeah, right here, we just got to bend it up right at that mark.
So we're clearing our frame here pretty good. You come over on your side.
Yeah.
See, before you couldn't go in from that side, now you can't come in from the other side.
So now at least we won't really have to. We won't have to take out the box now.
Okay, so if I make a hard bend here.
Up.
Okay, when I pull this line out, let me know what it does.
Okay. Goes up. It goes up and back.
So I'm gonna get this hard. I'm stuck in here right now.
There you go.
So this has to come out. There's no way it can be in there.
Yeah?
No way. Okay, so we're gonna bend this same angle we had, right? I'm not even sure what angle we're on.
I can get it out of the way pretty good. Do you want that bracket off too?
Yeah, the bracket's in the way. I'm trying to think which way the bend has to be over here.
It's 1/2 inch.
We were bending straight up, weren't we?
Yeah. So this, we need to bend it that way.
We can either do a hard bend or we can do a soft bend. I think we're going to be doing a better. Use the tube bender.
You know what? You're annoying. You got the 1/2 inch socket over there?
No, 9/16. Got wrong. 100% wrong. Yep. A little wrong.
What if I just move it all the way out of the way, like that?
I don't think it's just in. That should be fine. I bent this tube wrong, but I'm gonna see if it's gonna be a problem. What are we hitting right now?
What?
What are we hitting on the box?
We're hitting on the bracket, but it's right there. Like that's gonna be missing anyway.
Yeah, but I can't go any further.
What do you mean you can't go any
I
further?
gotta come in. I can't.
Okay, well then I'll take it out.
I'm hitting the bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, what if I bent that forward?
If you bend it forward, you're gonna be hitting the actual tank. Right now it's almost aligned.
I think it's bent too far.
You want to see what it looks like on this
I
side?
think it needs to be bent this way, not that way anyway. Okay, we gotta get the bracket out, so we got another bolt over here to deal with.
Yeah, just one more.
Give me the wrench, I get it for myself. This ain't the right wrench.
What is it?
Probably metric.
1/16 on that side?
Probably metric. Metric.
Let's fucking fix that too.
Probably 10 millimeter or something. 11.
You want to just get you adjustable, press it?
There, give me a socket.
What kind?
Just bring me the quarter drive kit over here.
There you go.
Bolt long enough?
Gotcha.
Alright.
Here, I can hold it up so it's out of the way. So that's like a 10 mil.
It said probably 10 millimeter.
All right, I'm gonna go change it.
Okay, I need a little something to put up here in the top.
What do you need?
Yeah, rubber intake seal over there. Gasket set. Yep. Probably not. Yep, that does it. Okay, where'd my line go?
I don't know. I'm gonna go find out another bolt.
There it is, right here. Okay, this over here. Come on, back in there. Around the case over here. There we go. Yep, that's definitely bent wrong. I thought it was. See, it went forward that way, which killed us. Need to go up. All right. Ah, damn it. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Problem right now is we have bent this line with a tube bender in the wrong spot. That's the problem with the tube bender. I always bend in the wrong spot. So we need to get that flattened out. Okay. Now we need to bend it the correct direction, which would be over the tire, holding it up there. Yeah, that works. Too high. Something's changed on me a little bit over here. Go in here where it needs to go. Needs to be. Bent. Something's bent differently now than what it was. They're all out of whack over here.
You want to try and get it in from this way?
And this angle's way off. See, I get this angle all bent to hell. I can't get the right angle. I'm bending it back and forth. It's just getting worse. I'm going from one extreme to the other. I was going this way, now I'm going that way.
Yeah.
I need to be here. I need to go that way. This is getting bent all the hell over here. Rebend it. Okay, so I'm back in here now. It'll come out. Ooh, came out easy. I like that. That helped it. Figure out where that spot was again. Okay, where's our angle right now? Need to go up quite a bit.
You want me? I can help out.
Try not to dimple, which I'm doing. not the right tools to be using, but okay, we need to go up and over. So I need to bend right along this hard line that's getting bent in here. Okay, where's the felt tip at?
Right there.
In there, it's where it needs to be bent. What are we getting close up here coming out?
Yeah.
What are we getting close to?
We're hitting the frame.
So when I bend that anymore, I'm going to be a big problem.
Well, we could cut an inch off and it would be fine at the top.
We're a couple inches long, so we're going to have to do that. Okay, so now,
So yeah, you got to have it down and bend that this way.
yeah, the problem is I'm getting too many bends in one spot. It's starting to rupture the tube. I need to bend it in the tube bender the correct way, which is this angle right here.
Yeah. It needs to fold over.
I need to hold it at this angle. There, hold that bottom. In the right spot even. Needs to be way over here. Kind of lost where I was at.
Right there. Perfect.
Well, we'll find out.
There you go.
Not really.
I think you got it. I got faith in you.
Found out. Definitely not helping the line any. Flatten it out a little bit.
All right.
It's gotten kind of crappy.
I think this is going to be the hardest one too. So
I'm getting all kinds of different angles going. The line starts to get flat and ovaled out.
yeah.
When you're putting this here, it'll square it back up again when you do that to it. Should be careful about pinching it right there like I'm doing now. So see how it takes that flat spot in there?
Yeah.